Alright, we just finished the assembly of the refrigerator cabinet, and as you guys can see, it's a beauty. It fits perfectly, no issues whatsoever. We're not going to secure it yet because, of course, we have to do some electrical work behind it. But as soon as we finish with that, we will secure it in place so it will move and it will hold the refrigerator as it should. Today we're very happy. This was a very productive day. As you guys can see, we installed the back furniture, so we have some good progress today. We have to put the wall behind back there before we secure that furniture. But this is the best part. We brought it in, we put it together, and it fits like a glove. Guys, this is going to be it for all the carpentry work today. If you guys like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments. They are important. We want to know what you think about the renovation. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you for watching the Yaryis Adventures. Alright, we continue doing electrical work on Yaryis, and so far we already installed the kill switch for the 12-volt sockets on the right side of the RV, and also here we have the two, because one of them is going to be the garage and the other one is going to be the kill switch for the 12 volts. Unfortunately, the formica crack just a little bit here, but it's not a biggie. We can deal with that. It's not a big deal. So we shall continue. The kill switch finally installed and working as it should. Look at that. Beautiful, just beautiful. Now that we move everything from this corner, we're going to proceed with getting the electricity from there back there for the garage lights. So I have work to do. Let me get on it. Okay. Now that we already installed the kill switch for the light, for the 12-volt outlet, we're going to install the garage light. But we're going to put up the cables right now so we can do the install, so the garage will have the light that it needs in both sides. So we're ready to rumble. We're getting it done and we'll get back to you guys. We finally complete the install of the switch for the light in the garage. As you guys can see, beautiful, and the 12 volts. So they both are independent and they both are perfect. Alright, so now that we have installed the light underneath the cabinet and we have the light on the garage on, you can see that at night it's going to be very, very bright. So we're going to connect the top light just to have an idea of how everything will be illuminated. So let me get to that.